Hi guys, I want to show you guys this quick makeup tip that I learned last night from this one guy. If you want fuller looking lips, right? If you want your lips to look fuller. So normally I will line them. But I don't see the liner I want to use. Where's the liner? So let's say I line them right. And the key to looking like you got fuller lips. Y'all ready? Concealer right here. Okay. So now I'm going to take that and blend it. So now when I put on my lip gloss, it's going to appear like I got bigger lips. They're going to look fuller. I was like, wow. So you guys see that? From the concealer being right here, it makes my lips appear to be fuller than what they actually are. I thought that was a really unique trick, guys, that I wanted to share with you guys. I'm like, wow. See that? They actually do look fuller when you take the concealer and go down there. I just wanted to share that with you guys. That tip that he put out there. Yes, it definitely does make your lips look fuller. So, if you guys want fuller looking lips when you're wearing your glosses and stuff, do the concealer technique. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Here go a couple shots, guys. You guys can look. I really like this technique. It really did make my lips appear to be fuller than what they are when you take the concealer down. But I couldn't find my right liner to line my lips. But try it, and you guys will love the results. Thanks for watching.